Hello, I want to show you a demo of how the electronic medical record works. To start with, it's something that runs online. To start with, you type in your domain name, www dot. Let's say my own is medicalrecords.com. Then it will bring me to this place where I will put my username and password. You can create a username and password as you want, depending on how many staffs you want them to use the medical record. Then when you log in, it will take you to this interface. This is the interface that it will bring you to. Then to add a new patient, you click new patient. You choose the man's acronym, Mr. Then his first name. We're going to use Danny. Then if he has suffix, Danny C. Stanley is the surname. Then external ID, I mean, if the person has an external ID, the ID is using for card and all that, you write it. So my own ID is 2000. Then the sex is a male. Then date of birth, I choose August 2001, 8th of August 2001. Then social security number, we don't have it. Then marital status, single. This one, user define. If there's other things you want to write, you can add it here. You can also expand your registration, like the person contact, you take contact, it will ask you to put address, state, city, mother's name and all that. In case of emergency, who to contact, phone number, contact email and all that. So let me put contact email. Let me put Stanley at yahoo.com. Now you can also expand it more, like choice. So provider, for example, the pharmacy that the person always go, or you always refer the person to. You can here allow to get SMS on the person's phone in case of appointment. The immunization, when he registered for immunization, health information exchange health information on email. Yeah, you can allow email or yes. Allow medical portal, you can say yes. Allow email message, you can say yes. You can say expand this record more, like that person employee, who employed the person and all that. Statistics, language, race, home, as many as you can. If the person is dead, you can register the day the person died and reason why the person died on your record. Maybe when the person is on the hospital and eventually died, you come to the record and register that this person is dead and the reason why the person died. So that's pretty much about registering your first patient. Then when you are done registering, you create new patients. Then you confirm it here. Good. So we have registered a new person. Now, and one interesting part about this software is that when any person you register, the software will automatically create a page for the person. So whenever you come to the person's page to do whatever you want to do. So now that we have registered a new patient, let's say the patient comes back again and you want to go and look for the patient. You click on clinic. This is the way it is. Clinical, you click on patients. Then we have only two patients. The first one is John Gloria. Second one is Stanley Danny. So who are you looking for? You may get as plenty, 1 million, 2 million. If you get plenty, you can search the name here. Just give me your name or your ID or whatever. The person can give it to you. You use it to search the person's name. Then you can just click on the person's name. Then you click on the person's name. What will come out is the person's page. Now, what is on somebody's page? You see clinical reminder. You see appointments. You see medical problems. You see allergies. You see medication. You see immunization. You see prescription. So you can now, if you want to book appointment with the person, you click appointment. Here you book the day the person have an appointment. You see whether it is a new patient or no show or established patient or office visit. You book it here. You book the time the person have the appointment. What is facility, billing, this is the name of the patient, is automatic. Status, arrival date, left date or reminder. then you can leave that one. Then you click save. It asks you, this appointment slot is already used. Use it. Perfect. So immediately you create an appointment, it will already create an appointment for the person here. Now medical, we can add the person's medical problem on his page. To add medical problem, you click medical problems. Then here you click here add. Then maybe if he's suffering from asthma or anything, if one of what he's suffering is not here, you can type it yourself. Let's say he's suffering from asthma. Then the date the asthma began, you write it, let's say on the 19th. Then it has not ended, you can still leave that one vacant. It is something that happens all the time. You check it here, chronic, first time. It's resolved. If it is resolved, you can come here to check it. So if it's not, you click solved. So you see, the person has suffered from asthma 2 times. This is, I've added medical record, 2 medical record, asthma, the same date, asthma, the same date. So you can go back if you want to add another more records. Let's say allergies, what the person is allergic to. Here you click add. This patient is allergic to antibiotics. Code, if there's any code, there is not, you leave that one vacant. You can choose the date the person start having these allergies. You can, anything you want. When you are done, you click save. See here, you also add the person allergic to antibiotics and so on. Then you go back, you can add as medical record as you have on this person, so that whenever another doctor is treating the person, he will have the person's record and he doesn't want to have to put it again. Now medication, you have prescription. You can also record your prescription for this person. Let us add prescription for this person. Here you can add prescription for the person. You choose which type of drug, let's say Septrin. Quantity the person needs, 20. Medicine unit, 200 milligram mg. How many to be taken? 2 tablets BID, 2 times a day. Then you save. You can add another one. You can add as many drugs as you want to prescribe for the person. So when you are done adding the drug, you will see all the drugs. We have prescribed the person ampicillin, Septrin. You will see all the drugs that you have prescribed for the person the time it comes for that checkup. So everything can be added on the person's medical record. So no matter where the person is, no matter the hospital he goes, the only thing they need to know what is wrong with this person is from this medical record. They check his name and all the medical records on his is here. Now